Today we're going to have a look at some magnets. We have some bar magnets here, and we also have a horseshoe magnet here as well. Now the bar magnets have an end labelled. That would be the north end labelled red, and the south end is blue. But on this magnet here we can't actually tell where the north and the south is on this magnet, so we're going to have to run a little bit of a test. We know certain facts about magnets in that the ends that are the same will repel each other. So if we look at this, these two ends will repel each other. They do not want to be together. So knowing that, two ends that are different are going to attract, like so. We can use this information to test this magnet here. So I'm going to grab the south end here, and you can see what happened there. It turned away from the magnet. So is it likely this end here is south or north? Have a think. Let's watch. Ooh, it ran away, and now that end wants to attract. So we have found our north because this is south. We have found our north end and our south end of our magnet. Alright, today's exercise is to have a look at a few different items around the house and see what's magnetic and what isn't. So I'm going to run through these reasonably quickly. You need to fill in your table on your style activity as to whether this item is magnetic or not. So the first one I'm going to start with is a very fun one, and this is one that we all know and I'm sure have played with before. I'm going to use our horseshoe magnet, and I'm going to pop this in here, and I want you to tell me whether these are magnetic or not, and put them in the table appropriately. And these are so much fun. Oh, let's see how many we can get. No more? Come on! No. Alright, so that was one example. We have some other items here. I have a pen, a straw, a pencil, another pencil, a bigger, fatter one, a piece of wood, and a pencil sharpener. Let's grab our magnet and see what happens. Wood. Oh, pencil sharpener. You need to be putting these in your table in the appropriate side. Oh, nothing happens with the pencil. Let's try this one. Nope. Our straw. Nope. Nothing at all. And last but not least, this pen here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That clip is very magnetic. What about this end? Oh, a little bit. But we're looking at that clip. So that clip is very magnetic on our pen. Next up, I have a whole bunch of coins here. Some of these, this one is from Thailand, I think. No, New Zealand. That's a New Zealand coin. We've got some very old-fashioned, that's the round 50-cent piece, and I've even got the smaller round 50-cent piece, the older round 50-cent piece here. So I've got some very old coins here. We've got our 2-cent and our 1-cent coin. I've got a 3-pence, a 6-pence. I also have a Vanuatu coin here. I have some Canadian, there's a Canadian coin, and these ones here are from Thailand, so there's a Thailand coin here as well. So let's have a look at what happens with these coins. So let's see what out of these coins are magnetic and what are not. So the penny is not. The newpence, no. Oh, the very old 50-cent coin from Australia, that one is magnetic. So the 50-cent coin from Australia is magnetic, a very old one. I'm just going to put that in that corner there. Actually, it doesn't show up there. I'm going to put it here. Right, the next, let's have a look what there's a Canadian coin. So the Canadian 25 cents, that one there, is magnetic. Going over these, the 2-cent, no. The 1-cent, no. Oh, the New Zealand 20-cent, that one is. So the New Zealand 20 cent The penny is not. The older 50 cent is not. The sixpence, no. That's the Singaporean dollar. No, no more are magnetic. So out of this bunch of coins, we have our very old-fashioned 50 cent coin, our Canadian 25 cents, and our New Zealand 20 cents. All the rest are not magnetic. So you can pop whatever you've remembered into your table. You don't have to get all of those. Pair of scissors. These are stainless steel. They are magnetic. Stainless steel scissors are magnetic. We have two pieces of metal here. That is magnetic. And they'll even pick each other up. So small pieces of metal are magnetic. We have some items here from the science department. Let's pop a few of these out. We have some chalk, a magnet. We have pieces of tin here and nickel and aluminium. So we've got some nickel, we've got aluminium, we've got copper, we've got zinc, we've got styrofoam, and we've got plastic, if I can get that out. There we go. And some plastic. There's a piece of chalk and a marble as well. So let's have a look. Marble, no. Chalk, not magnetic. Plastic, I would hope you realised that was not magnetic. And styrofoam, again, not magnetic. Zinc, no. Copper, no. Aluminium, no. Oh, nickel. Nickel is. So nickel is magnetic. A few more items here. We have a nail, a bobby pin, a safety pin, and a washer. Let's have a look. Oh, the nail is magnetic. The washer is magnetic. The safety pin, oh, is magnetic. And our bobby pin, oh, that's magnetic as well. All of those are magnetic. We have a hook and some rubber tubing from our Bunsen burners. Rubber tubing, nothing. Our hook is magnetic. Another fun one that I like to play with. This is a compass, and I'm just going to find something to put that on that's white so you can see that. Our little compass here. Think about what a compass does. Here's the north end of the magnet. Here's the south end of the magnet. What did it do? North end. And south end. Interesting. Last but not least, this is my favourite. If I put my magnet down here, I'm going to face it so the north end is over here and the south end is over here. And just keep that in mind. I'm going to put this down on top of it. Now this is full of iron filings. Those iron filings are suspended in a liquid. So what happens is, as that settles, we start to see the patterns that the magnet will make. And as it settles a little bit more, we start to see very clear magnetic lines, so field lines in here. We can see those ones tracing this way, and they're radiating out from the ends of the magnet as well. So you can see that there. I'm going to try the same thing with the horseshoe magnet. once we extract it from our safety pins. There we go. So just a little bit of a shake. I'm going to put my horseshoe magnet there, and let's pop this down on top of it. And look at that. I can spend hours watching these. So you can see very clearly there are some fantastic field lines in between here at the bend of the magnet, and there are some beautiful field lines here and also radiating all the way out through here. So you can see these field lines here coming right around. So really good fun playing with these. Alright, last one I want to show you. I have a pair of headphones here, which is a big tangled mess, as they tend to have a big tendency of doing. Let's have a look. We have some different components on these headphones. We have the end of the headphone here that plugs into the phone. We have the volume control here and the microphone. And we also have these speakers here. So let's have a look at each of these pieces. We've also got the cable as well. So you can put each of these pieces in a separate part in your table. Let's have a look at the end of the headphones, so the connector. Oh, it is magnetic. So the connector is magnetic. Let's try the cable. Nothing on the cable. Nothing at all with the cable. Let's try the microphone. Oh, the microphone is magnetic. Now, before I try the speakers, have a think about how speakers are built. If you know speakers, if you've ever had the opportunity to have a look at some speakers, have a think about how they're built. Now, let's have a look what happens. Oh, let's try the other one. Interesting. Let's try this way. Oh, did you see that? Put it up this way and watch. When I put the north end this side, it's repelled. Interesting. If I try this way, he's not going to sit up again. He's attracted. But if I try this way, he's repelled. Interesting. You can have a chat about that a little later on. Okay, that's about all for our demonstration here, so you can go through and complete the rest of your style activity in your class. But thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.